Hey everyone, welcome to my Tech Tips and thanks for showing your support in the last videos and thanks for showing interest in this video as well. So in this video what we're gonna see is like we're gonna play some content using Dolby Atmos and compare that with the existing Dolby digital technology. So I will just go around like how I have recorded this video. So I have recorded the content using the Dolby Digital using the Dolby on mobile application, because why I use the Dolby on application is like when I try to record the audio using a normal application, I was losing like most of the Dolby Atmos or most of the effects, and that's why I have used the Dolby on application, and that application is actually officially released by Dolby to have an good audio recording. Right after recording the audio with an Dolby Digital, I have changed my sound setup to Dolby Atmos and then recorded the upcoming recordings or for the Dolby Digital, and then I will play for Dolby Atmos. I will explain how I actually felt in the real experience. Trust me guys, I'm able to capture only the 10% of the actual sound effects using the recording, but actually when you're actually really watching this movie using the soundbar, the experience is of next level. Please try to use some good headphones to listen to this music. Now the Dolby Digital content for you. So now we have heard the Dolby Digital content. So actually how I felt real time watching the Dolby Digital content is the sounds are very detailed, but the sound is coming from a particular source, and that was also flat, and all the sound is like coming from the speaker, but the sound is very clear and crisp. And now let's move on to the Dolby Atmos sound content. So guys, now we have heard the same content using the Dolby Atmos enabled. So why in the real time when I'm watching this, how I really felt is actually the sound is very clear and very detailed and very immersive. And when I try to observe from where the sound is coming from, I'm not able to find out from which speaker the sound is coming from, because it I feel like the sound is coming in a layered format. For example, sometimes I hear a sound behind me, sometimes I hear a sound sound 30 degrees in front of me, and sometimes I hear a sound like 60 degree in 2 o'clock direction, something like that. So what I observed is like Dolby Atmos is giving an immersive experience where you won't be able to figure out the sound is coming from which speaker. So now the next audio clip is like only the partial portion of the audio what you have previously heard using Dolby Digital and Dolby Atmos. So I would like you guys to just concentrate on from where you are hearing the chopper sound. The first one is for Dolby Digital. Let's get started. So now what you guys heard is for Dolby Digital. The sound is coming from a particular source. The sound quality and detail sum is good. The sound is really flat. There is no ups and downs in the spatial orientation. Now let's hear to the Dolby Atmos sound, and please concentrate to listen from where the sound is coming from. I hope you guys able to differentiate between Dolby Art Digital and Dolby Atmos. Trust me, guys. If you have kind of a proper headphone, then you will be able to identify that. Uh, Now, so here in this case, Dolby Atmos, the chopper sound is coming some place above your ears, not below your ears, and that one the detail of the sound is coming from a different position. For example, by using the upfiring speaker, they were able to combine the chopper is actually the same sound. It's like you feel like it's moving away from you. Yeah, and that too even spatially that will happen. So if you close your eyes and listen, you can actually tell, okay, now this chopper is moving in this way. To be in a final point, what I would like to say is like the Atmos experience is really good, and it have because of the upfiring speaker. And to point to be noted is like the you won't be able to hear that, okay, now the sound is coming from the ceiling by using the upfiring speaker, but you guys won't be able to feel the sound coming from the ceiling. But for getting an immersive experience, that's playing a major role. So when I try to play Atmos content by covering the up firing speaker, experience was not that great. And the final verdict is when comparing the Dolby Digital Surround and Dolby Atmos in Zebronics 9700, the Dolby Atmos is really good, and you can actually feel the immersive experience, which is really great when compared to any other 5.1 channel speakers. This particular sound clip is taken from Old Guard movie from Netflix, which is Dolby Atmos enabled. See you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Thanks for watching, and thanks for showing your support and love. Bye bye.